If you get the opportunity to do something that you love, that you've always wanted to do, take it.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to this episode of Kees Cars. Key here, and man, today's going to be a little bit different. Me and my family have decided that we're going to move locations. We're moving from Colorado to the great state of Texas, and I can't wait. Today, you're just going to hang out with me. I hope that's okay. We're going to shoot some cars. It looks like we've got some freshly washed Camrys. I hope you enjoy the episode. Let's go. On to the next. Yo, look at the interior. This is nice. Digging the red. I want you guys to be able to put a face with the voice, because in a lot of my videos I don't really put my face in there. It's not necessary, but that is what it is. Here's a little bit about who I am. My name is Key, and I love cars. I love car design. I love driving cars. Shut up. Hold on. Let me put my seatbelt on, even though I'm doing 8 miles an hour. Speed racer. I love car design. And I got into photography a long time ago, just doing amateur photography, just going to car shows and shooting. And I did a lot of graphic design work. And this channel was a way for me to have a creative outlet for one of the other fun things that I like to do, which you guys have already seen on the channel, which is doing virtual renders of cars. I was inspired by a lot of different channels, and so I thought to myself, man, wouldn't it be super cool if I was able to contribute something positive to the automotive community? It centers a lot around what I do, which is the design part and art. All right, let's get this guy shot. Yeah. And so what that means for this channel is that I'm going to continue to do the renders. Obviously, I love doing that. And that's going to be just like a main staple of the channel. Beyond that, I would love to design some sort of body kit on a car. You know, I'd love to be able to bring the designs out of the digital and actually physically create something. We'll have to see. We'll have to see where the channel goes. This is one of those once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. These opportunities don't come along that often, and so I want to encourage you guys. Look, the positivity starts right now. I want to encourage you guys. If you get the opportunity to do something that you love, that you've always wanted to do, take it. Just grab onto it and run with it. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm so pumped right now. I don't know how it's all going to work, but I know that I'm going to work hard to make it work. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for everyone that's watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking the content. I can't wait to continue moving forward with you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.